If you are making content in the hopes of getting clients and you feel like it's not going anywhere, it's probably time to write a book. In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 keys on how you can convert your content into a how-to book. I'm Denise Renee, author, writing coach, and your business book bestie. I can help you write a high-quality thought leadership book that grows your personal or business brand. This video is one piece of that puzzle, so let's jump in. So if you've been making content for a year or more, and your content helps to educate your audience on a particular topic, you probably have enough content that you can go back to and repurpose into a how-to book. But I gotta say, creating content and writing a book are 2 different things. So be sure to stick around for my 3 tips. But before I give them to you, I want to share with you one of my clients, Kelvin Troy Johnson, who's a dating coach, who I helped to convert some of his content into this book, Secrets of the Mind of a Man. This book in particular is not a how-to book, but we did work extensively on creating a great format for the book that works for him and for his brand. We took transcripts from his library of videos, and he's got a lot. We were able to craft a great narrative around that, organize them, present them in a way that made the best sense for the book and for the reader. And here you go, finished product, book in hand. That's marketing his brand beautifully. So if you want to learn more about him, I'm going to put his YouTube handle here on the screen, as well as put links in the description to check out his channel and to grab your copy of this book, because it's good. I know, because I worked on it. Editing Denise Renee here. You can also check out the testimonial that Kelvin did on my channel. I'll put the links in the description. Now, I want you to be my next Kelvin Troy Johnson. I want to be holding up your book in my next video. So this is how you're going to take your content, transform it into a how-to book, and get featured on my channel. So number 1, you need to decide the single outcome that you want your reader to accomplish. In your library of content, you've probably helped people with tons of stuff. Pick one, okay? A book needs to be focused. It has to be focused around a theme, around a topic. And when it comes to a how-to book, your focus is on helping that person accomplish one thing, one task. And what you're going to do is break down that task, break down that goal, break down that accomplishment into multiple doable steps that make sense so that they can arrive at the finish line. So you can pick out what that thing is based on some of your popular posts. What did people engage with or comment on the most? What do people tend to ask you over and over about, well, how did you do this? Or how can I do that? Those are great indicators that writing a book about that topic would do well with your audience, and very likely with people who are not in your audience yet, people who don't know you yet. So the second thing that you need to do in the process of converting your content into your how-to book is you want to review all of your content that you have created about that particular outcome, and get ready and take lots of notes, because you're going to incorporate those concepts. You're going to incorporate some of those points into your outline and into your content. You may have already told people what to do and how to do it, but the information is spread out. So your outline might be right underneath your fingertips, and you might not have to come up with a whole bunch of new information. You probably already have it at your fingertips. It's just going to take a little bit of time, a little bit of digging, and then some concentration to put it into a useful format. Now, I'm going to introduce number 3, but everything I say about it is really going to relate to number 2 and number 3. So number 3 step will be to take that content and transform it. You have to know and understand that if your source content is an audio podcast, or it's videos on YouTube, or it's blog articles on LinkedIn or on your website, you are not just recreating that and just putting it in a book and selling it. It doesn't quite work that way. A book is a different format from whatever the source format you're deriving this book from. So you can't expect that the way that you outline an article, you're going to outline a book. Well, kind of you can. So, I mean, you can think of a book as a much more extended version of a blog article. but still not exactly, right? What about your podcast? I mean, if that was a conversation between you and another guest, obviously that's not going to be the same format. Even if it was a solo podcast where you were teaching, there are going to be some things that are different. There's some things that you might say, but it doesn't come across the same way if you write it on paper. So just have an intrinsic understanding that writing a book is different from whatever the source content is. Also, the way that you delivered it or the order in which you delivered it in the source content may be different than the way you deliver it in your book. You may need to add more. You may need to take something away. So I just want to hammer home the point that don't expect that you're just going to be taking your video or taking your audio, transcribing it, and that transcription is going to be your book. Or don't think that, oh, well, I'm just going to take these 5 articles, put them back to back, and that's my book. No, you're going to need to add more to it. You're going to need to take it away. You need to give all that content a theme and good packaging. And that's what we worked on here together, was really giving a good packaging to all the information that he was sharing. That is a book. So if this is sounding good to you and you're like, yes, I want to take my content and transform it into a how-to book, this is going to be great. Well, I want to help you fast track your progress. Bring your ideas to my next upcoming workshop called How to Write a How-To Book. Find all the details and registration at writingwithdeniserenee.com/how-to-workshop. When you bring your ideas to this workshop, I'm going to help you take your content ideas and plug them into my how-to book writing template. And you're going to find that writing this how-to book is going to be fill in the blanks easy, because I'm your business book bestie, baby, and I got you. You're going to walk away from this workshop with a complete detailed outline for your book and plenty of resources to help you along your book writing journey. So go ahead and visit writingwithdeniserenee.com/how-to-workshop and sign up today. If you can't wait for the workshop, you're always welcome to go to writingwithdeniserenee.com. Scroll down to services and decide if you'd like to book me for a single coaching session or my 1 or 2 month book writing coaching engagement.